Hello everyone, thank you guys so much for tuning into my channel. My name is Shireen and I focus on fashion and lifestyle video content. Today I have a video a little different from what I am used to publishing here on YouTube. I am sharing the start of my vegetable balcony garden with you guys. So, just a little bit of context. So I am really passionate about health and wellness. Before the fashion, before beauty, health comes first in my life. I am all about clean eating. I'm all about working out. No, I am not an athlete. I don't have a lot of visible muscle, but when it comes to exercising, when it comes to eating healthy, I'm definitely that girl that's going to, make sure I stay in line, to make sure I feel good. It all comes before fashion for me. It all comes before the makeup and the hair and all my other passions. Health comes first. I've been committed to pretty much eating clean 95% of the time. I definitely treat myself. If I need a burger, I get a burger. If I want some fries, I'll get some fries. But for the most part, I eat clean and I eat low carb. Not just for my weight, but also my skin. I've been dealing with eczema my whole entire life, and eczema definitely reacts to processed foods. It reacts to sugar, it reacts to carbs. So I have to watch what I eat, not just for my body and weight, but also for my skin. And so I'm extremely conscious about what goes into my body, and I eat tons of vegetables. So with that being said, I wanted to take my health journey to another level and grow my own vegetables, grow my own fruit. What better way to stay healthy than grow your own? And especially with recent current events where the government is approving things like lab-grown chicken, I am so motivated to start my vegetable garden and just start doing things differently and enhancing that aspect of my lifestyle. So with that being said, I wanted to show you guys everything that I purchased to start my garden. I'll definitely take you guys through the process, but for now I just want to show you guys everything that I'm using to start my garden. First, we can talk about the seeds that I purchased from Home Depot. Now I won't be planting all of these seeds because I know some of them are out of season, and as I continue to research and learn more, my plans are definitely changing and altering, okay? I went to Home Depot and I purchased a bunch of different seeds of vegetables that I just love to eat. So I purchased these carrots, so I purchased carrots, I purchased broccoli, I purchased some lettuce, tomatoes, and these are like the baby tomatoes. And then I also purchased spinach. I love spinach. And some sweet peppers. And I also purchased a different kind of lettuce as well. So yeah, these are the seeds that I purchased from Home Depot, and they cost about $2 each. So I just picked up a bunch of them for vegetables. There wasn't many fruit seeds, probably because it's out of season or we're going beyond season. I don't really know. I'm not a garden expert. I am far from it. I'm learning so much. My boyfriend, he is helping me lead this DIY project. He's actually helping me a lot because I am not the gardener, okay? I hate bugs. I'm not an outdoorsy woman whatsoever, so I'm taking baby steps, okay? But I did want to show you some of the garden tools, and of course, I feel like they're cute. I had to incorporate fashion in the tools that I'm using to grow my vegetables. So I purchased this can from Amazon. It came in 2 different colors. It comes in a blue color, and I believe it may come in a gray, but I got the green. The accents within my home are blue, like a navy blue, and green, like a deep forest or emerald green. So I have those 2 accents within my home. So of course I wanted my gardening tools to match. So this was the green. I actually love this green color. I thought it was really rich. The blue was kind of muted, and so I went with the green. And then I also purchased, I won't go through all the names of each tool, but this was like a set, and it comes with the bag and all the garden tools with it. So I purchased this, and I'll link everything below. And then I also purchased, gloves also came in, like these gray gloves as well. And last but not least, my raised garden beds. So I purchased 2 of these from Amazon. They are not yet put together, so I'm not showing you guys here on screen, but I will insert a clip in this video so you guys see what I'm talking about, and it's also linked below. But yeah, I thought these would be great for my deck, just to start off. And of course I can grow from there and add pots and things of that nature, but I thought these raised garden beds were really good to just start off on my balcony. So yeah, I just really wanted to come on here really quickly and introduce this new project to you guys. I'll definitely be introducing more DIY projects. I love DIY projects. I've been doing them for years, such as like making homemade body butter and things of that nature. So I'll definitely be incorporating that on my channel, because like I mentioned earlier, health is extremely important. It comes before fashion and beauty for me. If you don't have your health, you have nothing. And a lot of our health comes from what we eat, what we put in our bodies, and how active we are. So therefore, I'm really, really excited about starting this garden, and I'll definitely be taking you guys through the journey, and so you guys can see firsthand what is working for me, what is not working for me, and all that good stuff. Anywho, thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. If you guys have any tips, please leave them down in the comment section. All tips are welcomed. On my Twitter, I actually asked for garden tips, and I got a lot of great tips. So if you guys are on Twitter, make sure you follow me there. I'll put all my social media information in the description box as well as on the screen. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell, like this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.